How to turn your active off on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn your active off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to turn your active off on Instagram, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Now then, just make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll find this option over here known as settings, so just make sure to tap on settings. Once you go to settings, you'll find this option over here known as privacy. Make sure to just tap the privacy option. As you tap on privacy, you'll find this option called activated status. Make sure to tap on activated status here. All you have to do is simply turn off these both toggles, and then your active status will get turned off. This way you can turn your active off on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.